Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to set your financial goals on Nerdwallet. Are you ready to take your money further? Well, here's how to set clear, personalized financial goals on Nerdwallet and start making real progress. First, start by logging into your account at nerdwallet.com, and then on your dashboard, scroll until you find the section that's labeled Goals, or you can just tap the Set a Goal button. Nerdwallet offers several built-in goal types, including paying off debt, saving for a big purchase, building an emergency fund, or improving your credit score. Select the goal that fits your needs, or just click Create Custom Goal. Now, enter the amount that you want to save or pay off, and then set a target date to complete it. If you've linked your account, Nerdwallet will automatically track your progress in real time, pulling in deposits, balances, or loan repayments related to your goal. You can also choose which account your goal is tied to, so Nerdwallet knows where to watch. Once your goal is set, you're going to see a visual progress tracker on your dashboard, along with tips and suggestions to help you reach it faster. Update it anytime, adjust the amounts or timeline, or you could even pause a goal if your priorities change. Goal setting isn't just about dreams, it's about direction. Let Nerdwallet help you to stay on track. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more Nerdwallet walkthroughs to help you crush your financial goals one step at a time. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.